Chigosori nigo timu ya Shabana sekeminano ya kabere kubwatania nigo yalikire amachibu amabe litko lya lero nigo abamuraba madare bakaye kongonta timu ya Shabana imegetige Chigosori kya gusi egole yamo ase ligena liesagero abo ase omwegereryo monene we timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi aichanire amachibu ayo na kulia eira yogochia konyora obubwi ase gosoli yabo eiki igati ekero ababere bakoyaliganya timu ya AFC Leopards ime yegetige Chigosori kya gusi murikito Petro Machini na mange
timu ya Shabana nigo yagendria kurika amachiwa mabe yemaiga yogo ikorwa ne timu ya Mathare United egore ya masirige na desagero megeti kya gusi stadium ukwana maiga yengo yeyo niko mwegerebwe timu ya Mathare United anyakabaga kokera obobuyo bwigana goteba nigara chikubeko mokia kwenekia timu ya NH kunyakabaga ko bwabo tambe.
I'm happy because getting 3 points away from home, and I think it's a good feeling because last season we corrected 4 points from Shabana. This season we've already corrected 3 points, and I think also it gives us time to start planning because our next game we're facing Gor Mahia, so it gives us a little bit space for us to breathe. But of course in the first half we dominated because it was a game of two halves. The first half we dominated the game. We got our solitary goal, which I think we were working yesterday with the strikers. I'm happy for them. Then the second half, of course, you expected Shabana will come direct, and that is exactly what they've done. You could see even the centre back have moved to the striking, to attack. And I think with the direct ball, I think we are in a position to handle the threat. And I think kudos to the character of the team, because it needed character.
Asense mayae umwegerebwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi nigo aereida okugechwo kwae Chigosori chiga anyakabaga ko bugwa asebono anyakabaga ko teba nigabegetomokia gochikwene kinga egosori egatie timu ya AFC Leopards ne timu ya Shabana ikigadi chikuria Jumatano na chikonya kabaga konyo robobwi.
First of all, we thank God. I think we'll always keep on thanking God. It's a second game loss at home. It's very painful. Very painful, I think, to us, because target zetu kidogo the season tulisema taki kupoteza points hapa. As much as the league is still bado ni changa, but ni game ambayo tuko tunatarajia kupoteza. Considering the way to concede na the way to create chances, I think naweza sema kidogo pia sometimes football is not fair. We will win that game. That's the only results we have. Yeah, we will definitely win that game.
Before me.
Asibigo anyakabaga kwandra abagosori ababwati chingoma namba chikoba tayari eri wacha kosori akuchakiri chikiri ya Jumatano.
Yeah, I think that is a report from the medical department, but the likes of Michira, Dizo, some like Michira 3 games should be back. Dizo, I think our next game after FC Leopards should be back. Imbali anytime soon, maybe even the game of FC Leopard will be back. So for us, we just need to focus in the next game. We have dropped points. We need to go back and recollect ourselves very fast.
Na machivu atarikogokia egere timu ya Mathare United anyakabage kujikura timu ya Shabana asegeti kya gusi. Wana kurengana n'umugerwe timu ya Shabana Peter Okidi anyakabaga kwera nigara chikubeka omokia egera chikubweke minano ke ike igadi chikuria Jumatano ekero arachkuyerigania timu ya AFC Leopards. Kodpotiria Enso ko Chigosori kurasegeti kya gusi Chepethuel Machin.